West Monroe, 100 West Monroe. Hanson Citywide, we have a 10-1, 100 West Monroe. We have an off-duty shot. We have units on the scene, 1st District Zone 4.
Cars going to 100 West Monroe, 100 West Monroe, they got a 10-1, officer down.
You have the detail units in 1st District and 18 head there now.
Hey, what detail cars will have out there? 3,700 units? 3,700 units on Citywide 1, and you just headed over to 100 West Monroe. They got a 10-1 officer down.
20 Adam, I'm en route.
37, 20 Adam. So for the ticket reads in the stairwell at that location at the James Thompson Center. That's the SOIC. Off to the PO shot in front. And they call them from the SOIC location. Get fire en route.
41, what is that going on there?
It'll be officer down, 100 West Monroe, 10-1, and stairwell at the SOIC Center. Do I have any 7,300 units over there?
41 squad, let me get a clarification on it. What do you mean officer down? Is he shot or did he fall?
Officer shot. Officer shot. Officer down. Fire. Have any?
Going. Responding.
Alright, 10-4. Once again, do I have any 7384 units already at the SOIC? Adam, 10-4. I don't have any offender information.
Can we get a better location? 100 West Monroe where?
100 West Monroe is the SOIC Center. That's the Thompson Center. It's supposed to say in the stairwell is all I have. Whoever call from inside that location from one of the phones at the SOIC Center.
Monroe, the Thompson Center is not on Monroe.
I'm sorry, Randolph. 100 West Randolph. SOIC Center, the Thompson Center, 100 West Randolph, in the stairwell, Randolph. Okay, they said they got ambulance on the scene, enough units on scene, and the weapon recovered. Once again, they say ambulance is on scene, enough units are on scene, the weapon is recovered.
The bad guy spot?
I don't have any information about an offender yet. I'm still waiting on that information to be disseminated.
You can check 112's status. I think he's en route to Area 1 with the offender.
I don't know. I'm looking at his job. This says Wacker and State. Maybe that is related. Maybe it's related. It's a separate event. Maybe it is related. Looks like they might have the offender in custody. Let me know if they need assistance blocking the streets for the route to the hospital. Let me know if they need assistance blocking the street for the route to the hospital. If somebody's calling Citywide 1, you gotta call back later. Looks like the ears off the shot. The offender is in custody. Per zone 4.
Squad, see if we can park block Clark Street. No more traffic.
I need somebody to block Clark Street, southbound at Lake. Block Clark, southbound at Lake. Can I get a unit to do that?
3214, I'm at Clark and go down there.
I have you blocking Clark, southbound at Lake.
Still come in, but give them a slow down.
Once again, any units on Citywide 1, you can slow it down. Any units on Citywide 1, slow it.
On the route to the hospital, which route? Which rate?
Yeah, I'm still waiting for that information. Anybody on scene know which hospital they're going to and which way they're taking?
Well, if we can close off Clark Street and Lake Street so when the ambulances are ready, they can roll out of here.
Alright, 3214, how close are you to Clark and Lake to block off that street?
I'm right under the Lake Street. I'm about 2 feet away. I'm trying to get through the traffic.
Alright, she's about to be in position in a second. She should be cutting it off in a second. If there's any unit that can assist her blocking off that street, please let me know. Once again, it is confirmed that the officer DPO was shot and the offender is in custody. He's going to Northwest and they need the street blocked northwest.
You can make a hole for this ambulance, please.
Just make a hole for the ambulance units. Make a hole for the ambulance. Make a hole for the ambulance. Marine in the headquarters.
Street, that's where we want the ambulance.
Alright, we're going to shut down Clark. We're shutting down southbound Clark and Lake. No traffic on Clark. Once again, we're shutting it down south.
With anything east and west, keep Clark Street open all the way.
Alright, leave Clark Street open all the way. He said leave Clark Street open all the way. So we may need someone to block off Clark and Randolph also. Marine in the headquarters. I got a Marine distress. I got a dog on the frozen lake running around by the beach. It's 9801 South Avenue G, Georgia, Calumet Park.
I'll let you know what we're doing on this.
Fire said they think it's a coyote and they're not responding. Again, do I have someone who blocked off Randolph going east? I'm sorry, going west on Randolph? Anybody block off Randolph? And Clark? Sorry, unit coming in?
Traffic stop at Clark and Randolph.
Okay, so.
Squad, Northwestern.
And once again, they're going to Northwestern, so we need to block those streets going to Northwestern. Go ahead.
Just notify a beat car and see what they can do and have them notify us if they need us.
Okay.
700.
3700.
Switch over to Zone 4 squad and see if we can. I'll be on it if you need me.
Okay.
I'm leading the ambulance. We're pulling up at the emergency room door now.
They're arriving at the emergency room door now. Go ahead, 3700.
My sergeant and any of my guys have them come over and at Clark and Randolph. Have them park about a half a block block away around Clark and Washington and walk up over here. We're going to need them for crowd control.
We need 3,700 units. The sergeant, the officers, he wants you to meet him at Clark and Randolph. Meet at Clark and Randolph. We need 3,700 units. He said park a half a block away at Clark and Washington. Walk down. He needs you for traffic control. Once again, we need 3,700 units. Sergeants and officers, please meet 3,700 at Clark and Randolph. He said park a half block away at Clark and Washington and walk down for traffic control. 371080. Making our way.
Coming from the hospital.